Have you just experienced a Brazilian wax? Your skin may look beautiful, but it's undergoing some major changes. Understanding these changes is vital for effective recovery. After waxing, your skin's moisture levels drop significantly. This can leave it tight and sensitive. In fact, the loss of moisture peaks within the first 6 hours. At 24 to 48 hours, your skin is at its lowest hydration point. During this time, redness and irritation may occur. So, how can you ensure proper recovery? Consider two essential tools: lipid creams and exosome serums. Lipid creams provide an immediate protective layer. They slow down moisture loss right after waxing. Meanwhile, exosome serums support your skin's natural healing from within. Using both can enhance your skin's recovery and reduce irritation. Think of your skin as an ecosystem. It requires a balance of moisture and bacteria to stay healthy. Quick moisture loss can disturb this balance, causing heightened sensitivity. To combat this, you can follow a simple post-wax routine. For the first 2 hours, apply a gentle serum with ceramides or hyaluronic acid. Next, for the first 12 hours, avoid heat, friction, and tight clothing. After 24 hours, use a lightweight moisturizer to maintain hydration. And at the 48-hour mark, continue gentle hydration to restore your skin barrier. Remember, smooth skin is just the surface. Beneath it, your skin is actively working to repair itself. By following this straightforward recovery routine, you can prevent redness, irritation, and breakouts. Want more science-backed skincare tips? Subscribe now to keep your skin healthy and strong.